Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to talk about a really good product. If you like to do towing, like this gentleman over here, we're going to go over. We have an airlift product, and now this is the 5000 Ultimate. What's that mean? Well, come over here, let's take a look. What does an airlift do? Well, basically what it does, as you know, you're towing, like this gentleman tows a boat, and it brings it down, basically the weight of the boat. What this does, it's going to put some airbags in there. I don't know if you can get in there with the camera, Dave, and this is going to handle an additional 5,000 pounds. That's quite a bit of weight, and you can adjust the height. Now we're going to show you how you're going to do that. Basically, you might see people going down the road, and here's the trailer, and the back of the truck is like this, and trailer's like this because it can't handle the weight. Well, this right here, these are set up here for putting air. So you basically, if you go to the little gas station with a little air in it, you can lift it up, and now you got it nice and level. The more level it is, the safer it is, the better it rides. So that's real important. Again, this has also, besides having the 5,000 pounds to be in the Ultimate, this does have these little bumpers inside. The jounce bumper, if I can say it right. I'm always, Dave's making fun of me how I say it. So, and basically it just, if you lose the air, it keeps it from getting compressed all the way down. And you can, again, when you're driving around normal, you can adjust air. You want to bring it up a little bit, you can, but more or less this is for towing. So if you're gonna tow a nice camper, you got yourself, you're towing, something for work, or of course a boat, whatever it is, this will accommodate this. It's a great product, and I do recommend it because it's a safety product to have, and it's just terrific. Airlift makes a well-made product, and that's real important because there's other companies who do this setup, and I don't recommend it as good as the airlift product. So if you say, you know what, Chris, I want to get this, how do I get this? You can call Dave at the store, who's behind the camera. You can call me, Chris, or ask for John or Buddy or anyone else here. We can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come to the store like this gentleman did, and we'll install it for you. So we can take care of any of your needs. Now, if you say, you know what, Chris, I love what you showed me. I say, if you love what I'm showing you today, hit that like button, because I appreciate when you hit that. It doesn't cost you anything, and it does help us out. And again, subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with new products, just like this Ultimate Airlift 5000. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.